Get ready to witness the perfect blend of power, style, and eco-efficiency. Welcome to Global Auto Digest, where today we unveil the breathtaking 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid 2025 supercar, a machine that redefines the limits of hybrid performance and automotive design. This isn't just a car, it's the future of driving. Revolutionary design language. The 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid takes the iconic Civic silhouette and transforms it into a bold, aerodynamic masterpiece. Sharp LED matrix headlights, a low aggressive stance, and sculpted body lines ensure it looks as fast as it drives. Its sporty yet futuristic design is a true statement on the road. Hybrid power with supercar DNA. Under the hood lies an advanced hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged petrol engine with a high-performance electric motor. This unique setup delivers jaw-dropping acceleration while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency. Expect lightning-fast 0 to 100 km/h times and smooth, instant torque, proving that hybrid can be thrilling. Cutting-edge technology. Inside, the 2026 Civic Hybrid offers a driver-focused cockpit with a fully digital display, AI-powered driving assistance, and immersive infotainment. From wireless connectivity to autonomous cruise features, this car is as smart as it is fast. Sustainability meets performance. Honda's commitment to sustainability shines here. With lower emissions, improved battery efficiency, and recyclable materials in its interior, the Civic Hybrid delivers supercar performance without compromising the planet. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid supercar isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution, a vehicle that blends performance, technology, and eco-consciousness into one irresistible package. If you're excited about the future of driving, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Auto Digest for more automotive innovations.